Hello everyone, you're welcome back again. We're going to solve for the value of x from this given problem, and the equation is given as 256 raised to the power of x is equal to 1 over x. Then we are asked to solve for the value of x that satisfies this equation. So if you have this kind of equation, the first thing we need to do, first of all, we need to rewrite the equation, which is 256 raised to power x, which is the same as 1 over x. So the next thing we're going to do is to try to eliminate this x so that we have x in only one side of the equation. So to do that, do you know that when we will raise both sides of this equation to 1 all over x and also the right hand side to 1 over x, this x is going to cancel this x, because one of the property of indices called power property of indices say that when you have a number raised to the power of another term and all is raised to another power, then we are free to multiply the two power together, so that when we do that, x will divide x is going to cancel. So the reason why we raise the right hand side to 1 over x is because in an equation, when you do anything to one side of the equation, you must also do the same thing to the second side so that the equation will be balanced. So therefore, x multiplied by 1 over x, this x is going to cancel this x, it will remain 1. Then 256 raised to the power of 1 is the same as 256, which is going to be equal to 1 all over x raised to the power of 1 over x. So the next thing we're going to do, as you can see, if you look at the right hand side of this equation, 1 over x is raised to the power of 1 over x. They are the same. Can we make the right hand side to be in this form? Yes, because when we say 4 raised to the power of 4, which imply 4 multiple 4 multiple 4 multiple 4 in 4 places, is going to give us 256. So therefore, 4 raised to the power of 4 is the same as 256, which is the same as 1 all over x raised to the power of 1 over x. So from here, we are going to recall that when we have a raised to the power of a is the same as b raised to the power of b, this implies a is the same as b. So when you have a term raised to the power of the same number and also b raised to the power of b, we can just pick 1 and equate. So therefore, 4 to power 4, 1 over x to power of 1 over x, we can just pick 1 from here and equate. 4 will be equal to, then we just pick 1 over x. So the next thing we're going to do is to cross multiply. X multiplied by 4 is going to give us 4x, which is the same as just 1, because there's nothing in the denominator here, so we just write this 1. So now to get the value of x, we are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 4. So we divide the left hand side by 4 and also the right hand side by 4, so that this 4 is going to cancel this 4. So in the left hand side, we are left with just x, which is the same as 1 over 4. So therefore, 1 over 4 is the value of x that satisfies this equation. Thank you for watching, and please follow us for more videos like this. Thanks.